Gelatin. What is it and why is it so good for you? I'm going to share with you a little bit about what gelatin is and why you should be consuming it. Traditionally, our ancestors got it in the form of broth, made from water and the leftover bits from animals that they found and killed to eat the meat and the organs from. They utilized all parts of the animal by boiling the leftovers down into a broth and drinking that, and that gave them energy and good health. Nowadays we can still get it in the form of broth. We can make bone broth easily at home, or we can buy bone broth, or we can buy gelatin powder, and that's what I really want to talk about today. So why is gelatin so good? Well, lots of reasons. One is it's great for the skin, for anti-aging properties. All the nutrients in it are great for reducing wrinkles, for repairing and healing skin, so excellent for stretch marks and scarring. The collagen is essential for our skin health because that's the collagen that's in our skin. So it definitely helps with fighting the aging process and keeping our skin healthy and firm and strong. Gelatin's a natural detoxer. The glycine and amino acids do a natural detox on the body, and particularly for the liver, it helps produce glutathione in the body, which helps with stage 2 of liver detoxification. So it's really an essential part of detoxing the body from toxins and chemicals, in particular liver support. Gelatin contains essential amino acids and glycine, which help produce stomach acid that breaks down our food. So it's a really, really important part of good digestion. The glycine in gelatin also helps break down meat. It goes with meat. They're not meant to be two separate foods. They're part of animals. We're supposed to eat them together. And the glycine helps break down the proteins in the meat and makes it easier for our bodies to utilize the goodness in the meat. They work together, they're friends. Bone strength and joint support. Gelatin contains essential nutrients like magnesium and calcium, sulfur, silicon, phosphorus, and trace minerals that are all essential for healthy bones and joints. It can help prevent and reverse bone problems such as osteoporosis and arthritis. So all round, gelatin is an essential nutrient that the body absolutely needs. After the age of 30, if you're not getting gelatin regularly in your diet, your body really starts to degrade in those ways. The skin, your gut health, your bones and joints. It's really important to get it in regularly. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends and family who may also benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with all of our awesome videos and content.